In this video, I will help you find the best Beats wireless headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Beats Studio Pro Noise Cancelling. Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones impressively incorporate a noise-canceling feature that significantly reduces ambient sound, enhancing the overall listening experience. The active noise cancellation technology effectively blocks out external noises like office chatter, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your music or podcasts. The deep brown and navy color options give these over-ear headphones a sleek and modern look, perfect for everyday use. With over 28 hours of battery life with ANC on, you can enjoy uninterrupted listening sessions without worrying about recharging frequently. The built-in DAC and USB-C cable enable you to stream lossless audio from your devices, providing a high-quality sound experience. Additionally, the versatility of these headphones is highlighted by the neutral sound profile, making them suitable for various genres of music. While lacking some features like an H1 chip for seamless Apple device pairing, the Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones still deliver a premium listening experience with their noise-canceling capabilities and impressive battery life. At number 4, we have Beats Fit Pro Fitness. When focusing on fitness and active lifestyles, the Beats Fit Pro earbuds offer a dynamic and immersive audio experience tailored for your workout sessions. These earbuds are designed to keep up with your movements, providing a secure fit with stability fins that ensure they stay in place during intense activities. The Beats Fit Pro True wireless earbuds feature an H1 chip, making it effortless to pair them with your Apple devices for a seamless listening experience. Their active noise-canceling ANC technology effectively blocks out external distractions, allowing you to stay focused on your fitness goals. With an IPX4 water resistance rating, the Beats Fit Pro earbuds are sweat and water resistant, making them ideal for intense workouts and outdoor activities. The sound profile is slightly V-shaped, enhancing the bass for that extra motivation during your training sessions. Whether you're hitting the gym or going for a run, the Beats Fit Pro earbuds are your perfect workout companion, delivering high-quality sound and performance to elevate your fitness routine. At number 3, we have Powerbeats Pro Workout. During intense workouts, the Powerbeats Pro Truly wireless earbuds offer exceptional stability and comfort for seamless movement. These earbuds feature malleable hooks that wrap around your ears, ensuring they stay in place even during vigorous exercise. With an IPX4 water resistance rating, they can withstand sweat and light splashes, making them ideal for all types of workouts. Equipped with an H1 chip, the Powerbeats Pro allows seamless pairing with Apple devices, providing a hassle-free experience. While they offer roughly 11 hours of continuous battery life, ensuring they last through your longest gym sessions without needing a recharge. The more neutral sound profile compared to older Beats models caters to various music genres and is especially suitable for podcasts and audiobooks. Although they lack sound customization options and significant noise isolation, the Powerbeats Pro excel in providing a stable and comfortable fit, making them the perfect workout companion for those who prioritize ease of movement and reliability. At number 2, we have Beats Studio Buds Plus Noise Cancellation. As we shift our focus to the Beats Studio Buds Plus, let's explore their noise cancellation capabilities and how they enhance the listening experience. The Beats Studio Buds Plus are equipped with active noise cancellation ANC technology that effectively blocks out external sounds, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your music or podcasts. Whether you're in a busy office, commuting on a noisy train, or working out at the gym, the ANC feature helps create a more tranquil listening environment by reducing ambient noise. The noise cancellation on the Beats Studio Buds Plus works by using built-in microphones to detect external sounds and then generating anti-noise frequencies to cancel them out. This advanced technology ensures that you can enjoy your audio content with greater clarity and focus, without being disrupted by surrounding noise. With the ANC feature activated, you can truly appreciate the full range of sounds in your music, from deep bass tones to crisp highs, all while maintaining a peaceful listening atmosphere. At number 1, we have Beats Flex Battery Life. The Beats Flex wireless earbuds offer an impressive battery life that ensures long-lasting usage throughout your daily activities. With up to 11 hours of continuous playback, these earbuds provide reliable performance for extended listening sessions without the need for frequent recharging. Whether you're commuting, working out, or simply enjoying your favorite music or podcasts, the Beats Flex earbuds keep you immersed in high-quality sound for an extended period. The long battery life of the Beats Flex allows you to go about your day without constantly worrying about running out of power. It offers the convenience of all-day usage, making it a dependable companion for your on-the-go lifestyle. The substantial battery capacity ensures that your music keeps playing, providing a seamless and uninterrupted listening experience. Additionally, the efficient battery life of the Beats Flex earbuds lets you enjoy your audio content without interruptions, allowing you to focus on what matters most to you throughout the day. The extended playtime ensures that you can stay connected and entertained without the hassle of frequent recharges.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.